Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can join Classic FPL League. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your FPL application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, log in to your account. So once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Fantasy. Inside Fantasy, you then need to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on Join Leagues. Inside here, there are two ways you can join. It's either invitational or public. If it's invitational, you'll need a league code. After that, you have to enter the code and you'll instantly be added to that private league. If it's public, you can choose between Classic and head-to-head. In this video, we're gonna go for Classic, so go ahead and simply select Classic and then tap on Join a League. After that, you will be added automatically. Once you have joined, you can check your league right at the top of your screen under Leagues and Cup. And that's it. Now you are a part of a FPL league. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.